Hey y'all, I told you I'm coming with these videos. So I already got my face done. That's to come. This video is hella fast. So I'm using a Morphe 24G palette, and we're gonna take that shade right there and we're gonna blend that in the crease. We're only using 2 shadows, yeah, I know, but my simple looks is very easy. So we're gonna use that. You're gonna build it as much as you want the intensity to be, and then after that we're just going to take that dark brown shadow and put that directly in the crease, and then with that first brush we're just going to blend out that harsh line just so it could look like a more blown out gradient effect. Then we're going to take this gold out of that same 24G palette. I'm trying to give y'all, you know, one palette video tutorials, so yeah, we're just going to use that and we're going to pop that right into our on our lid. And then once we do that, we're going to take that brown shadow and we're going to mimic a like a wing liner, not really like a wing, but you know, just take it onto your lash line. That way it blends you know, the not here order that way it blends the lashes. Y'all know I use Lashlane lashes, but I just wanted to let you guys know, use Covey Marie. This is Kaima Cosmetics Diamond Dust Pigment, and it's bomb, y'all. It's so bomb. Y'all see that sparkle? Face is done. Y'all already know that I came on with the face done. Then I'm just using the Trust Fund highlighter, and that's it. The lashes that I use will be down below, and yeah, that's it. Later, y'all. Bye.